Do not ignore safety just because you are installing safety equipment. Because you are assembling a railing near the roof edge, proper safety measures should be taken during installation. Even during the shooting of this film, a written safety and rescue plan was in place. In a normal installation, KeeGuard can be assembled within inches of the roof edge. For the safety of our film crew, we are assembling the railing away from the roof edge. Tie off to a secure anchor point while installing the KeeGuard system. The Key Safety Weight Anchor is a portable anchor point that can easily be assembled and moved during the installation process. Use a proper harness, lanyard, and tie-off procedure when attaching to the anchor point. Review installation instructions before beginning. Some installations may have nuances that are not covered in the standard installation guide. Shop drawings are available at an additional cost. Contact us with any questions you have before beginning. KeeGuard will come palletized and ready for installation. The pipe and pallets should be moved onto the rooftop using the proper lift equipment. The location for the upright bases and weights should be clear from stones and debris. The only tool that will be needed is an Allen wrench. We recommend using a ratchet or drill setup to speed up installation. Assemble the uprights by connecting the proper number of weights connected to the base of the pre-assembled upright. Attach the weights to the pipe with one collar. Even though there are 2 slots, only one collar is required. In a typical installation, a CB4 will be placed on the end. A CB3 will be placed 3 feet 3 inches from the CB4, and then a CB1 will be placed every 6 feet 6 inches. Typically, corner uprights should be placed no more than 20 inches from the corner. Also ensure that there is not more than 6 feet 6 inches between uprights. The uprights can be angled back up to 11 degrees. Angling the unit away from the edge of the roof will reduce visibility of the railing from down below. Tighten the set screw with the upright at the desired angle. Once the uprights are in place, the pipe can be added to the unit. The pipe goes into the cup fitting and is secured with a set screw. Additional sections of pipe are secured with a pipe coupling. When possible, cut the pipe so that the pipe couplings are staggered and not connected in the same place. Corners are attached with elbows or variable angle fittings. D-returns are pre-assembled and typically attached to the railing on each end. In some cases, KeeGuard will be mounted to a wall or existing ladder. Doing this eliminates the need for CB3s and 4s to be used on the end of a railing. This saves money and reduces the railing's footprint on the roof. We have a variety of components to make these connections. KeeGuard railing can be made to navigate roof obstacles such as varying surface heights and HVAC ducts. Typically, a few elbow connectors can satisfy the most demanding roof, but other components are available as needed. Please let us know what obstacles may interfere with the railing, and we will work with you to figure out what is needed. If you are installing toe board, it will be attached to the base fitting with a connection kit. Slide the extruded toe board onto the bolts and tighten the screws. Use a corner bracket to join the toe board in a corner. Once the railing is assembled, go back through the railing and ensure that all the set screws are tightened and that the upright distances are correct. The set screws should be tightened to 29 foot-pounds. If your railing is installed properly, it should be usable for decades without any necessary maintenance. OSHA requires that safety equipment is inspected annually, so look over your system and make sure it still meets the installed specifications. Check to ensure that the system has not been accidentally damaged or moved. A correctly installed KeeGuard roof railing will simplify safe access to the roof. This will make rooftop work safer and more efficient. For more information on KeeGuard, visit our website at simplifiedsafety.com. There you will find in-depth descriptions, photos, and technical documents on KeeGuard rooftop railing and other safety products such as skylight screens, rooftop walkways, horizontal lifelines, and rooftop anchor points. Our sales engineers are ready to help you find the safety solution that works best for your scenario.